Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. So, these cards are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. Cancer, so that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have about your circumstances, so you can watch that reading. And Cancers, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So it's Empress, Six of Stars, and Four of Moons. So in your circumstances today, in your career, or it may be in your relationship, you are trying to be different today, Cancers. You are trying to change yourself, and some kind of a growth is happening. So in your heart of hearts, you want to be different. You want to move away from whatever you believed in. Maybe something you are rethinking about certain beliefs you have, and you want to change your ways. Maybe the ideas you feel is not working out. You want to just cast away those ideas and try something new. And you are traveling. For some of you, you are taking a break from work or relaxing yourself, and you are growing, you are changing so much. So there is a change that is coming over you, and you are happy for this change because you are not satisfied with whatever is happening in your life today, because a lot of pressure is there on you, and you are trying to be different. And whatever you believe in, maybe the ideas or your plans, whatever it is, even though it may not work well, you must never lose hope in yourself. So you have all you need for facing every circumstance you are seeing today in your life, because today you may feel a little stressed, unable to make a choice, unable to make a decision. Something important is coming in your situation, but you don't know what will work or what will be the right thing for you. You may feel bitter because you don't know what will work, and some kind of lack of clarity may be there. But you need to understand that it is for the best, because it is changing you. These circumstances are changing you, making you better, bringing more clarity in your circumstance. And you are someone who is, what to say, a very passionate person, very emotional. So, something you believe in, it may be something you truly believe in, and it is going to work for you. You feel that, and you're going for that without any consideration what will be the future or what will be the outcome if you make that choice. So, you are a very emotional person. Sometimes you must take time to think. That is what is the guidance here. So it may be some obsessive thoughts you have about this person you love, or you are very much crazily attracted to this person. That may be the reason for certain actions on your part. But whatever it is, Cancers, you must think whether you are doing the right thing today. You must take a step back and see where things are going in this relationship. Then make that choice instead of simply rushing in towards some choices because you are very emotional about it or you are very passionate about this connection. So we will see what is the card for your, sorry guys, it's Lady of the Suns. So this person and yourself, you have a very deep bond, a good understanding. This person is someone you can trust and they are truly concerned about you. They love you for what you are. And they are a very sweet person, friendly, kind, compassionate. And you are feeling really wonderful with this person because they are making you feel so good, inspiring you, and they touch your heart with their kindness and love. So, something beautiful is happening here in this relationship. So, that is the reason you are very passionate about them, but it is always better to take your time before you make any important choices, Cancers. So, for your work circumstances, we will see what is the card. It's 5 of stars. So, in your career situation, there may be certain things you need to focus on. So, what will work for you? What will manifest the right way? So, you have everything you need right now, and you need to make your efforts, try your best. But when you see that your circumstances are not changing, you must not feel sad or worried, but you should feel happy that you have done your best and have that acceptance in your heart. So, whatever comes will come to you. You need not worry. So, all you need to do is make those efforts, honest efforts. That is never going to be wasted, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this first card, we will see what it is. Thumbelina, expectations. So in your circumstances today, you may feel that people are not treating you the right way. People do not value you or respect you for what you are. There are a lot of challenges you are facing right now. But you need to understand that if you do not know the worth of something, we will not know anything, the value of something, we will not know anything of that object. So, the same way, people do not know your value. That is the reason they are not treating you the right way. So, you are going to find the people who will respect you and who will understand you as you are. And people, your soul family, will find you. And you do not have to accept relationships where you feel that you do not love them and they do not love you. And maybe today you may have something confusing you, lack of clarity may be there. You may feel ridiculed or rejected for being different, but you need to understand that at the right time you will find what you are, your true name, your true soul family. And this is the time for you to make your own friendship, make your own, find your own relationship. It is time for you to take care of yourself, to choose for yourself, and maybe in all these troubles and challenges, do not lose hope and do not lose your warm spirit, that warm heart you have, because you are a very loving and a very kind person. You should never forget that. And there is no one like you. You are so unique, and you will find the people who are unique like you, who are similar like you. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a crystal spirit card. So this crystal spirit card is here to tell us that angels are there guiding us today, guiding us in our life, nudging us forward, or whispering to us, sending us love and helping us in any specific challenges we are facing in this relationship. So these angels are our friend, the perfect teacher, and the ones who heal us, and the ones who heal us by connecting us to people who are like us. So sometimes you may feel that strangers may tell you some words and it may have a very deep impact on you. You need to understand that it is the angel's message for you, guidance from the angels coming through some strangers at some time. So you need to pay attention to those help or the unexpected help that is coming to you. And today, if you reach out to these angels, if you just pray to them in a very, pray to them in a very open way, telling them what you need in your heart of hearts. If it is a very simple prayer, a heartfelt cry for help, that is going to give you the answers you need today, guys. And the angels and guides who are here looking for you, looking out for you, will come out, reach out for your prayer and will help you today. So a very beautiful guidance here, guys. And this crystal is about opening the chakras in our body to welcome the blessings and abundance that is coming, that is all around us, and to clear all the energetic attachments we may have. So this is the stone for us to feel that connection towards that higher power, angels or God, whatever we may call it. So that is the energy here with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.